Hello, I have this non-original earpod case and this is a teardown video. I tried to get these inner components by pulling the lid and the lid got separated, so here is a tape. So now I have tools as well to check the internals of this product. I have inserted this scale a couple of times, but I haven't pulled out the internal machinery, so this will be my first time as well. Okay. Oh, something dropped. Okay, this is was here at the side. Okay, and the lightning cable port. These looks like speaker holes. They're a little dirty. It came out easier than I thought. Oh, button. Yes. There is this button at the back. That button must be responding to. It was. Oop. This is just a metal piece. As these were not original, I believe this was just to add weight. Oh, magnet. This tiny piece is a magnet. This bigger one is just a piece of metal. Then a battery, and this must be the switch. As these were not original AirPods, so I believe they are built with low quality. As per my understanding, this is lithium battery. I need to now wash my hands as this is spreading some dust. I only have the case and not the AirPods. There are these two screws here which are holding this motherboard with this plastic case. Battery says NaNH 3.7 volts, 3000 milliampere hour. Okay. We have just these two screws that is attaching it to the plastic case. Not much here that we can have a deeper look. Not this screw head. One screw down. The way any speaker or headphones work is that they have a magnet inside them, and not these magnet are different. these screws. Let me stick it to the magnet. What an idea. Okay, this is where the earpods rest. That's all we get from this case. All the components. Final look at this. The battery with dust. Trying to short the battery, but no luck. I was expecting more.